Hello, it's Dr. Bove, aka Captain Crunch, and welcome to another adjustment video. Tonight we'll be adjusting Makayla. And she's fantastic, a high school student and athlete. And again, I get to, the opportunity to adjust so many awesome people. Her mom is a patient here. And so a little bit of mid-back, some head, neck. But how you doing? How you feeling?
I'm really good. It's helped a lot coming here. So.
Awesome. Mm-hmm. Oh, I love hearing that.
I almost forget that it's there, so.
Great. All right, cool. Any problems? Any issues tonight?
Mm-mm.
Beautiful. All right, hop on, facing down. She just came from field hockey. She is working out and doing all her studies. I think it's awesome. Sometimes I get these questions like, well, chiropractic for kids? What? Why do they need to be adjusted? And yeah, sure, kids do have pain. And they do crazy stuff too, especially boys, jumping off this or crashing into this or whatever. But yeah, nothing about school, backpacks, phones, iPads are good for posture and spinal health. So kids definitely can benefit from being adjusted and checked. Beautiful. All right, deep breath and down. Perfect. Some cross fiber stretching. All right, it's always good. Tractioning, keeping the spine open and moving. Same, just like mom. Little tight right there. Man, definitely not as bad as mom though. All right, turn and face me on your side this way. Definitely not as bad. Perfect. All right, go ahead on your back. Beautiful. It's also the awesome thing about kids, man. Oh, their spine moves so nicely. They don't have all those years of stress and work and life and having kids. That was amazing. Your hands. Oh, I like your nails.
Oh, thank you.
Like the stars.
I got them done before vacation, so.
Oh, nice. Everyone tells me it's really fun to get them done. I have never had my nails done.
It is.
Good, your atlas is good. Teeny tiny bit off here. How's your head, your sinuses, and everything?
Oh, it's good.
Good. Perfect. That was amazing. Like a symphony orchestra.
I'm always so jealous.
I know, isn't it so nice? All right, turn and face me this way. That's mom in the background. We're all jealous of her neck. Good. Not much to do on this side of the low back. Not much at all. Perfect. All right. Come on up and have a seat facing this way. Beautiful. Okay, super deep breath in. Good. And then all the way out. Perfect. Wow. Great job. You want to say hi to anyone?
I mean, hi. I don't know. But...
Shout out to any of your friends, man. Make sure they tune in.
I'll tell them.
Awesome.
They'll probably be like, oh my God.
Yeah, it's all, man,
I
when they
told
see
some of
your
my
neck
friends from field
adjustment.
hockey, yeah.
Yeah, when they hear that neck adjustment, come on. They're gonna be so jealous. Awesome. Thank you as always for coming in, giving me the opportunity. It's awesome, and I am so proud of all you do. Thank you for tuning in and watching. Make sure you subscribe, Captain Crunch DC, and we'll continue to make more fun and educational videos. Thanks again. See ya.
Bye.